Hello enthusiasts. I hope all of you are taking the required steps to pursue your dream of Canada PR. A number of enthusiasts like you have been approaching us seeking assistance for Canada PR, especially during the pandemic of COVID-19. So before we move any further, I would like to address a concern that most of the PR applicants who are willing to apply in today's time have. That is, how can we apply right now even when everything is shut? So to answer to that, I would be delighted to let you know that the Canadian Immigration is giving out invitations even during this pandemic situation. In fact, the frequency of draws has increased immensely and the cutoffs have drastically fallen down. This exactly is the opportunity that you must grab onto. To make it even more convenient in these difficult times, the ECA process has been completely shifted online. Moreover, with reference to the information available on the CIC news, as of 15 June 2020, IELTS test centers have reopened in 72 countries across the world, and India is one of them. So for all you aspirants out there, this is the best time for you to make your application. And talking of application and documentation, it brings us to my agenda of addressing you today. I am Pankhuri Luthra and I have been associated with Winnie Immigration since a very long time now. And every now and then I do have clients coming up to me asking me about the benefits of moving ahead through a licensed consultant in one way or the other. So keeping that in mind, here are a few but super important reasons pertaining to why one must apply through an ICCRC licensed consultant only. First and foremost, before we get into the why part of it, it is of utmost importance for us to understand about the body that provides us with the license. ICCRC stands for Immigration Consultant of Canada Regulatory Council. It is the national regulatory body designated by the Canadian government in July 2011 to regulate Canadian immigration, citizenship, and international student advising services. Every member is provided with a license number, which starts with the letter R and is followed by a 6-digit number. So whenever you are hiring for or looking forward to hire an immigration service provider, please make sure that you are asking for the consultant's license number and you check for its status on the ICCRC's online public register. The status must be active. Anything other than that means that the consultant is not in the position or in the standing of filing for you. See, with a valid and active license, you as an applicant would have the assurance that you have put in your trust and your hard-earned money in the right place. Entrusting a licensed consultant would help you protect yourself against all the frauds and scams that are being run in the market. Moreover, a regulated Canadian immigration consultant is thoroughly aware of the Canadian immigration and visa system, and thus they would be the right and the most reliable in terms of providing you with the advice regarding your eligibility criteria, or would also help you out with the right guidance in order to fulfill your dream. A licensed consultant does not only provide you with the direction, but also takes care of all your documentation. See, when I talk about taking care of all your documentation, a licensed consultant would never ask you to commit to misrepresentation of your profile. Because firstly, as an applicant, there is a strict penalty of not being able to file for any type of application to Canada for 5 years if you're caught. Secondly, any felony on the part of the consultant might result to revoking of the license. Also, if at all your licensed consultant is acting strangely or suspiciously, which is not really a possibility taking the code of ethics into consideration, but if at all, at any particular time you feel that there is a probability of having an issue with the licensed consultant, there is a higher body that you can reach out to in order to protect your interest, as opposed to hiring a local non-licensed consultant where there are no chances of being heard at all. And last but not the least, with the immense knowledge and expertise of a licensed consultant, your processing time bounds to be reduced. With your jam-packed schedule and routine, I'm sure you wouldn't want to go through the entire confusing phase or the headache of filing for yourself, as it can be extremely draining, tiring and exhausting for someone who is doing it for the first time. So in a nutshell, I personally and professionally advise you to get up and file for Canadian PR while the iron is hot. And most importantly, make the right decision by hiring an ICCRC licensed consultant. For any assistance regarding your Canada PR, please feel free to write to us at info@winigroup.com or call us on our toll-free number 1800-419-3242. It was a pleasure sharing information with you, and I hope this session was helpful. Thank you so much.